Welcome back. Goa Barge Owners Association has demanded promotion of coastal trade and also to increase inland water limit for Goa from 10 nautical miles to 12 nautical miles. They held a meeting with senior officials of the National Shipping Board at Delhi on Thursday. Barge owners claim that the barges which operate from mining can be modified and used for coastal trade. This would give some relief to the barge owners on the backdrop of mining ban. The decision is expected by 10th July.
And the meeting was for how to promote the coastal trade. So our barges could be utilized for coastal trade. And it has been decided that one of the barge should be taken for convert karpa coastal vessels. To decide what will be the whether it is feasible or not. And second point, most important point झालो तो म्हणजे त्यांनी नेक्स्ट मीटिंग 10 जुलै फिक्स केल्या आणि त्यांनी सांगला कितें की इनलाइन वॉटर लिमिट आसा पळय ती वाडोवपा जाय. गोंयचे जे पोर्ट्स आसा न्ही त्यांची पण इनलाइन वॉटर लिमिट वाडोवपाक जाय. गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा ऑन 30th April 2013 आताच they have already given a proposal to the government of India to increase the inland water limits. To the Nautical Advisor of India to increase the inland water limits as per the amendment made in the November 2007 amendment of Inland Vessels Act. Study will be made by IRS to see whether these vessels, what modification is required to convert these vessels to coastal vessels. Plus, government is thinking of giving a subsidy.
Which government?
To central government, Ministry of Shipping, that anybody who is shifting the cargo, from rail or road to shipping, they'll be given a subsidy on the basis of Marco Polo scheme, which was there in Europe long time back. So automatically there'll be demand for barges on the coast.
Barges at the mining the same barges can be used for that purpose?
They can be utilized for the same purpose by giving additional modifications and additional safety equipment. So up to 12 nautical miles, INCOIS has given a report that these waters can be declared Goan waters. Up to 12 nautical miles can be declared as inland waters. And they'll be called as partially smooth waters.
Furniture dealers in Mapsa are annoyed with the illegal business carried out in the city by some illegal sellers. They claim that these sellers carry out their business along the roadside and in the villages, thus hampering their business. The furniture dealers also claim that government allows such illegal business which runs without proper trade licenses. Furniture traders along with commercial tax officers conducted raid and seized goods from these sellers.
एक सिंपल गोष्ट आसा हितून व्हडले फायनान्शियल कितलो आसा ते सेल्स ऑथॉरिटीन तांकां पळोवनी पण एक सांगून दिसता की अशे कितलेशेच ट्रक्स ऑफ लोड्स गुड्स येतात विदाउट बिलिंग आनी आर बींग सोल्ड इन गोवा तर ताजेर कंट्रोल कोणाचो ना अशें दिसता. गोंयान अशें दिसता की गोंयान कोणेय येवचें आनी कितेंय करून वचचें अशें जाल्लें आसा. आतां जे इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट टू बी सोल्ड इन फिल्ड्स पूण ताजेर कंट्रोल कोणाचोच ना आणि सरकारान हातून लक्ष घालचें.
आता 10 वर्सां जाली डेली हांगासर कोंडा वर्साचे 12 म्हयने हांगासर भायले लोक येतात हांगासर आणि आपलो माल विकतात. थोडे तर हांगासर शुक्रारचे आपले बिरेस्तारचे रातचे येतात आणि शुक्रारचे रातचे वयतात हांगासर फर्निचर बी घेवन हे अशें चल्लेलें आसा.
When questioned, the traders carrying business illegally said that they are forced to do so to earn their bread and butter.
हाँ सिटी में सेल नहीं करते हैं, गांव में सेल करते हैं. हाँ
किधर से लेते हो?
हैं
किधर से लेते
ये मड़काई से आता है.
मड़काई से
गवा में ये मड़काई गवा से आता है माल और पेट के लिए करते हैं धंधा. क्या है 80, 60, 70 कुर्सियाँ ये पगार मिलता है. पगार मिलता है. हाँ.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Goa picked up a silver medal on the opening day of 30th Sub-Junior Aquatic Championship at Campal on Thursday. Goa's top diver Genevieve D'Costa clinched the medal in 1-meter diving championship to get the host off the mark. The nationals have received a warm response with over 25 state units including 650 players taking part in the 4-day event.
On a wet day, the National Sub-Junior Championship brought the Campal swimming pool complex to life. High-quality competition in the swimming finals gave a glimpse into the immense potential of the young national-level swimmers. Some of the dives were impressive, to say the least. The hosts had a reason to smile as Genevieve D'Costa clinched a silver medal in 1 meter diving.
I could have done even better. The competition was good, a little more height and this. It was good. Even though it was my first time in Group 1, I had a good experience.
Yes, actually, I was totally planned for to have a gold, but the dive which is supposed to go very good, and the dive was missed. 2 dives were missed, and that could made less points and turned to a silver medal. Otherwise, it could have been gold.
Later in the day, President of Goa Swimming Association and Swimming Federation of India, Digambar Kamath, declared the National Championship open.
I declare 30th Sub-Junior National Aquatic Championship 2013 open.
Sportsmanship oath was taken by the medal winner Genevieve, which was followed by a march past by participating teams. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.